To turn off the camera shutter sound of your Samsung Galaxy S26 is slightly more difficult than you would think. So there is no actual way to just or setting to just go ahead and just turn off this sound. So if you ever want to disable the camera shutter sound, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to put your phone in mute. Now the easiest way to do that is simply swipe down for quick settings and then simply tap on the icon to mute your device. Once you've successfully muted your phone, you'll notice now whenever you take a photo, so let's just say you're taking a photo on your phone, you'll no longer be able to hear the shutter sound on coming out from your device, but photos will still be taken, letting you know that it's still working properly. And so that is how you can turn off the camera shutter sound on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.